Hey guys, this is Miss Lumba. I'm going to be showing you a couple of calculations on this worksheet called mole relationship worksheet that we started about 2 days ago. So the first one I'm going to do is here, the one that says convert 18.22 grams of trisulfur nanochloride. Make sure you're good at writing the formulas. If you're not, you're going to have trouble getting the right answer, because if your formula is wrong, then your calculations are going to be wrong. So trisulfur nanochloride, one, there's no metal in here, so this is a covalent bond, and I'm going to write down S3Cl9. So first thing you do is write down what's given to you. You're going to write down 18.22 gram S3Cl9 over here, and then you're going to go to your mole map, not this, your mole map, and you all should have it. So it says to go from grams to mole, and I'm going to do what's done over here. I'm going to follow this pathway and do exactly what's written over here. I'm going to put 1 mole on top and molar mass in grams. You all should know how to find molar mass. If not, here's a review. You're going to keep doing it, okay? Over and over, so you need to be familiar. Whenever I say the word molar mass, what you're doing is you're taking this formula, 3 of S in that formula and 9 of chlorine, and then you're going to put use your periodic table, which is at the back of the mole map, or like I have it here, sulfur is 32.07 grams per mole, and then chlorine is 35.45 grams per mole. So you multiply and then you add them up. All right, so you're going to do 32.07 times 3. You get 96.21, of course, grams per mole. And then you're going to do 9 times 35.45, and you get 319.05. And then you got to add them up. And of course, it's grams per mole. 319.05 plus 96.21, you get 415.26 grams per mole. I'm going to put that here, grams, S3Cl9. And per mole it says, and that's why that 1 mole is on the top. And this is coming from your mole map, right? It says molar mass at the bottom, and that's what you're doing, guys, okay? All right, and then you are, sorry, sometimes it gets stuck. Oh, there we go, it's working now. Sometimes it's just, there's a, dude, what up? Like, what are you doing? There we go, much better. All right, so 18.22 divided by, we're going to do what, 415.26, and you get 0.0438, and that's going to be 0.044 moles of what, S3Cl9, okay? So that's one calculation. The next calculation is this one here. I'm going to erase this, guys, because I need this space, okay? The next calculation is convert 0.35 moles of bromine gas, and bromine is Br2. So I'm going to start with what's given to me, 0.35 mole bromine. And then once again, extend this line, okay? And then go back to your mole map. And look, let me bring it on this side. All right, I'm only going to show you this once, okay? So we're going from mole A, because then it doesn't work. I have to keep moving it back and forth. So mole A to molecules. You need to do what's done over here. 6.022, we'll follow this path, and whatever is written on that side of the path, you do that, okay? 6.02 times 10 to the 23. So you're going to put that up here, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecules. And at the bottom goes 1 mole, Br2. Notice your moles are going to get canceled. You take 0.35, 0.35 times 6.022. And some calculators have an E button, some calculators have caret button. I'm just using the simple one that we used in the class, and all I'm going to do is put exponent 23, and it gives me 2.10723. I don't know, can you see it? Where am I going? 2.10723. So don't just put 2.10723, please put 2.1077 times 10 to the 23 molecules. And that's your answer. All right, the next video that I'm going to show you is going to involve another calculation from this worksheet itself.